Hi, welcome in No Education to Fortune 500. Today we are going to talk about to have a successful business, we don't have to have a business school degree or MBA. See, we don't have to have a IT expertise. We can be in any field and we can build a great business, a great business group. See, I study around 55 great entrepreneurs throughout the world. I read their biography, I read how they started. And while researching on their starting point, I realize that many of them not even a graduate, many of them not even 10th grade, they not even past 10th grade, but they build a massive business. So here I would like to emphasize you that don't be discouraged if you think that you don't have a certain knowledge. Don't be discouraged that if you think you don't have MBA, if you think you don't have a certificate from Stanford University or Harvard. This is not so important. But what is important is that you need to have a passion, you need to have an idea, you need to have a dream. See, many entrepreneurs are an example in front of us. For example, let's talk about Bill Gates. We all knows the richest man. At one point he was the richest man on the earth, and who merely not even graduated. Richard Branson, who wanted to be a journalist, non-graduated, serial entrepreneur and owning more than 200 companies. It's not about the UK, America or only technology. The different part of the world, the different people, they did it repeatedly, and you can also do it. For example, from Nigeria, Orji Kalu, who has started a great enterprises called Slow Group. From Hong Kong, called Lika Shang, who is the owner of Hudson Company, Fortune 500 company, and he's not even a 10th passed. So if you look into the history, there are many great entrepreneurs. They are not graduated, they don't have MBA degree, they don't have a business school degree, but what they have is their passion to be an entrepreneur, and they did it. So in this course we are going to discuss how they did it, and we are going to follow their path. I figure it out and I put them in a step-by-step layer. So throughout the course we will learn that how they did and how we can do it. So here again I would like to emphasize you that keep your passion, keep your dream. Education is not a valid excuse that you can't be an entrepreneur. See, many entrepreneurs, as I did my research, many entrepreneurs were not knowing the modern bling theories, a business model canvas, pitching to the angel investor. They were not knowing all that, but they made a massive business. If they can do, you can do. In fact, myself, I tried the modern way of doing business, but it doesn't work all the time. In fact, the chances of getting success with modern theory is rare. That we will discuss in coming chapters. So modern theory doesn't work for me. So when I implemented this theory, this worked. So again, I would like to suggest that keep your courage and keep your dream alive. You can make it happen. Thank you for your attention and thank you for your time in this video. See you in the next video.